Hello friends, today we are trying to make a game within a minute in a scratch. So let's start. First of all, let's drag a when green flag click block. After that, let's go and drag a go to X5 block so that when we misplace our cat, it gets flagged when we click the green flag. Next, we go to control this statement and drag a forever loop. Next, we will drag if block from the control block. And next, let's go to sensing menu and drag a when it's pressed key press block. When we press the space bar, it should go up. So let's drag the cat up in the air and then drag glide 1 second block, and then let's modify 1 second to 0.2 seconds. And after that, let's drag the cat downwards in the ground and drag glide block again. And this time we are going to put 0.5 seconds. Now if we click on the green flag and hit spacebar, the cat jumps. Okay, now let's go to the hedgehog and no, first of all let's go to sounds menu and search for a sound boing. Yeah, so get back here, go to the sounds tab and drag a start sound block inside there and if we place, then the boing sound comes. Next, go back to the hedgehog and then drag a when green flag click block from the events menu. Next, we go to the motions menu and drag a go to X5 block so that the hedgehog also gets back to its position when click the green flag. After that, let's go to the control menu and drag a forever loop. Next, we go to the motions menu and drag the hedgehog towards the end of the screen, left end of the screen, and drag a glide 1 second block and modify it to 2 seconds so that the hedgehog goes glide towards that place. And next, we duplicate the go to X5 block and place it inside the forever loop like this. So if we press the green flag, then the hedgehog glides towards the left and then goes back where it started. Next, we click back to the sprite one and then go to the control menu and drag a if block. Now, then we go to sensing menu and drag a touching mouse pointer block and select the hedgehog. And then we go back to the events menu and drag a broadcast block and make a new broadcast message called game over. Click on OK. And next, let's drag a when I receive a message block and select game over. And if we receive the game over broadcast, then we are going to play a sound. Go back to the sounds menu and search for the sound effect. And we want this sound, going sound. Go back to the codes, go in the sounds tab and start the sound. Next, so we go back to the looks menu and drag a say hello block, and instead of saying hello, we say game over for 2 seconds. And let's go back to the control block and go downwards, and there is a stop all block. We drag it down here, and instead of stop all, we select other scripts in this sprite, and that's it. Next, we go back to the hedgehog and do the same thing. Go to the events menu, drag a when I receive a message block, and next we go downwards and drag a stop all block and select stop other script. There is some kind of glitch here. Let's fix it. For that, we go yeah, there is definitely a glitch. We go back to the sprites tab, and instead of broadcast message, we go to the events menu and drag a broadcast and wait message instead of broadcast. Now let's try again. Okay, now it's fixed. Let's see again. Yeah, and if it hits the hedgehog, game over. Next, let's make a variable. Go to variable tab and let's make a variable. click on the make a variable and make a variable called score. Then we set the put the score, and we set the score to 0 at first, and next we change the score inside the when we click space by 1. Now every time we press space bar, our score increases by 1, and that's how we make a very simple game in a minute.